Peace, family. Peace meaning positive energy always creates elevation. Welcome to my apartment tour. Yeah, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, y'all. Make sure you subscribe. If you are a subscriber, thanks for tuning in. Close the door. So, this is our beautiful garden. Very green and lovely. This is what sold me the outside. The electric is off, so the girls are out.
Yep.
This
Like
is where,
thumbs up.
yep, thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Look at these nails. Don't give a thumbs up for the nails.
Yep, thumbs up is always perfect.
Yep. So, this is our apartment. The landlord is right next to me. And somebody's working upstairs. These are empty. Oh, don't mind my fingernails. Okay, yeah. All right. So should we tour the outside first?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is the patio area. This is around the back. The kitchen has a patio. Big windows. This is a bathroom on the outside. This is the kids' balcony. This is the clothing line that I asked for her to put up, but I barely use it. The housekeeper does that for me. This is my balcony. The girls jumped over the patio to come. So it's pretty long and big for an apartment. Let's go inside. First, we're gonna take our shoes off. So again, it's not fully furnished. This is the living room. So she gave me a AC unit, but I'm going to decline it. It's pretty cool in here with these big bay windows, and I just didn't like it like big and bulky right here, so I'm gonna have her take that back. I'm gonna have the price of everything that I purchased. Okay, this is the kitchen. This is their homeschooling area. This is where I keep our fruits and some produce. The girls play homeschooling. Yes, it says America because that's what's in the book. Okay, this is the hallway. I bought this mirror. I love it. Long hallway. The refrigerator. Oh my gosh, like I said, they're doing something upstairs. Okay. So, what I noticed about this kitchen, that it came with the oven. Oh my gosh, if you know And I think it's just all of Africa. Most places do not come with an oven. Let's go inside. Brand new, okay? And then it has a gas and an electric. 2 sinks, lots of storage. And this is the door that I showed y'all from the outside. The little patio. Put my garbage in there. That's the bathroom we talked about. Yeah, very large kitchen. I love cooking in here. Some more cabinets and the light fixtures. I have 1, 2, those in there. Let's see the living room from afar. It's very spacious. All right, look at the little detail. Oh, let me show y'all the floor. The tile is very nice. Okay. It's a 2-bedroom. This is the girls' room. They got the door open with the cleaning solution. I got them a bunk bed. Only thing I don't like is that they have a really small window, so a lot of light don't come in here. They will have to use light. These are the areas where it was supposed to be wardrobes. It did not come with one. She asked me what I needed before I came. So I said I need a wardrobe. And then I came here and this was here. So I still need to buy a wardrobe. Nothing too expensive. Y'all will see next time. Their bathroom. It comes with the heater. I actually asked her to put that in. Nice shower. Small little sink. And a window. A ceiling fan in each room. That works very well. There's hall lights from here and there, and then one back by the kitchen. And this is my room. So again, I need to buy a dresser and things. Have one right here, and then a wardrobe. My patio. This gets a lot of shade. Sometimes it's sunny like now, but it still has shade somewhere out here. But it's very nice to just come out, look at the greenery, the scenery. Look at such a beautiful weather. Like, everything is always beautiful here. It's easy. Look, let's leave that open. That gave a lot of light, huh? I like that I have a split and the whole floor doesn't get wet, but I'm glad that the floor can get wet because it has a little thing right there. Yep. Internet, which is Vodacom. I use them as my phone company. I love them. So that was my house tour. I hope y'all liked it. I love this place. For it to be an apartment, I get house vibes, especially with the scenery. I love it. Look at the sun just shining on me like this. Ooh. Ooh. So, yeah, I'm gonna give you the prices of how much it costs for me to furnish the place and each individual piece. And of course you can get some things cheaper. It's just some things that I like that I wasn't going to, like, I didn't want a cheaper product for it like I did my other house because I came with different money, amount of money. It just depends on your budget. That's it. You can find something. And I'm a mom of 2, and more information on how I became a fiance to a Senegalese man. That's gonna be a whole nother series and stuff. But yeah, don't forget to watch the next video and make sure you subscribe. Like I said, give me a thumbs up. That helps support me and get my channel out there so others can view it. Thanks for watching.